Hi everybody, it's Kurt from stuffopafinds with a demo video. This one is for a Nintendo GameCube. It comes with the GameCube console, the power adapter, the AV cable, one controller, and the game flushed away. Everything works beautifully just like it should. This is just a quick demo video to show how it works. So first of all, the TV is not included. That's our test TV. But there's the GameCube. There's the controller. Power supply. AV cables are plugged into the TV. TV's turned on. There's flushed away. Game works great. GameCube works great. Controller works great. Everything works as it should. So we'll open the console up, put the game in, close it, power it on. I'll turn the volume up a little bit. All right, now we got some volume. Sorry. I have no memory card. This does not come with memory cards, so we will continue without saving.
The obstacle course. Sir, are you certain you wouldn't rather have a nice snack? Some crackers, a bit of brie? Crackers, brie? Gilbert, we're here to stretch our legs, to navigate the hazards of the wild. Yes, sir.
So I'm skipping a lot of areas. I really don't know how to play this game, so I'm just going to go through it a little bit. As you can see, it reads the disc. The disc works. So clearly I don't know how to play this, but I've been farther than this and it still works, so I think I'm just going to cut the demo off and cut my losses. Thank you for watching.